just the words I never got out of my head. Locked behind my lips on the tip of my tongue. Lord, can't you show me where I'm going wrong? Been so afraid of taking 2 steps forward, just to take another 3 steps back, that I've stood still in fear of what's round the corner. It could be love, but then it could make my heart crack. So I've hidden in the black, yeah, yeah, yeah. But you never lose by loving. You lose when you hold back. You live your life with nothing but regrets when you don't take your chances. You may wonder what would be left if we went our separate ways. But it's better to have heaven help than to never know what might